Every element you add into a project canvas is on a layer. Naturally, the more design elements you add, the more layers you have to navigate. The Layers panel on the right-hand side will show you what's on each layer. You can close the Layers panel with the X, and to reopen it, click on this Layers icon in the toolbar. When you click on a design element in the canvas, the corresponding layer will be highlighted with a bold outline in the Layers panel. To change the order of design elements, often called bringing forward or sending back, click on the element in the canvas or in the Layers panel. Place your mouse over the highlighted layer and you'll see a hand. Click on the layer and drag it either up or down in the layer stack to your chosen position. I'll move all these layers out of position and then put them back in an order that makes sense of the design. All done, nice and easy.